Hi, superstars. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria. I'll be sharing latest trends and I will also tell you the current price of palm oil in Nigeria as at today in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. I'll give you updates on palm oil storage business in Nigeria. Okay, so let's get started. Palm oil business this year has been very profitable, and so many people who invested in palm oil business have smiled this year. As a result of this, so many people have decided to start palm oil storage business and get involved in palm oil business, while those who did before are making plans to increase their storage. So based on this, people have started preparations intensively for palm oil storage next year. Okay, people have started preparations. They've prepared their storage facility and other stuffs. Okay, but when it comes to getting jerry cans, as at today, the price of jerry cans is still high up there. The 25-liter yellow jerry can is still 4,500 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, while the white 25 liters is still 4,900 naira to 5,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, as at today. Okay, so there are also people who use the 250 liters drums. Okay, so the 250-liter drums is still between 40,000 naira to 45,000 naira as at today in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. And the price varies based on the cover, the durability of the drum and all that. Some are more expensive than that in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, so I know some people are wondering, what's this 250-liter drum? Okay, so it's a this blue round drum. Some do have covers that can seal it very well, while some do have just very tiny openings you can pour in your palm oil. All right, okay, so these drums are used for palm oil storage business, and these drums, some carry about 10 25-liter jerry cans. If you pour in 10 25 liters of oil into it, some of it will fill that drum, while some can actually take about 11 25-liter jerry cans. Okay, so some people tend to prefer these drums more than using jerry cans, and sometimes I wonder if it's more cost effective. Okay, considering the fact that a 250-liter drum is between 40 to 45,000 naira, while a jerry can is 4,500 naira. If you say 4,500 naira times 10 25 liters, that's about 45,000 naira. So I don't think it's really economical to use drums, but people who tend to send oil to longer distances through trucks, sometimes they prefer these drums. And there are times that the price of those drums also reduce. So most of them prefer moving their oil in drums because it's easier. All right, they just fill it with oil, close it tightly, and then just roll it on the ground. They roll it into a truck, and then when they want to bring it down, they roll it down and put it in a pickup or something and all that. So it's always easier to move those drums than 25 liters. It's easier to look out for. Most of them have locks that you can actually lock the drum, so nobody will be able to open that drum to access the palm oil, so your palm oil is safe from theft. It is very safe. You're the only one with the key, so they can't break it and then get the oil. So some people tend to prefer it because of safety. All right, their oil is safe and it's easy to move. But then for but then it involves more logistics. Okay, because not every, if you want to use tricycle to like move oil to your destination. Not every tricycle carrier can move the drum. Okay, so it has to be a special set of people that will move this drum. So the challenge is always when you are offloading and unloading, all right, because there are special people who have strength to move things like that. All right, so that brings us to our next topic, which is the price of palm oil in Nigeria. Okay, so as of today, the price of palm oil is still increasing, it's still high up there, and I don't know. Okay, storage has reduced. For those who stored palm oil, the price of stored palm oil in the market has reduced. Remember, I said people should sell out their stored palm oil. So the price for stored palm oil has reduced, but the price for freshly milled palm oil is still high up there. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Usually by this time we should start having palm fruits and the price should start dropping gradually, but it's still high up there. So I'm still monitoring the market to see when it will drop. As of today, the price of freshly milled palm oil in Akwa Ibom State is still between 52,000 naira to 53,000 naira, while the price of stored palm oil is 49,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, so if you're still keeping your stored palm oil, then you need to go ahead and sell it, except it's of good quality. All right, it was a first grade palm oil and it still has an excellent taste, then you can afford to sell it to market women one by one. Okay, then they can buy it for other things. But then the price of freshly milled palm oil is still high up there. And for those who are interested in starting palm oil storage business, now is not the time. All right, you need to wait till the price reduces and then you buy and store. And usually the price will reduce from next year. Okay, so there are actually people who intend to start palm oil buying and reselling. For those who are interested in starting palm oil buying and reselling, you can go ahead and buy and resell. Okay, you need to know, you need people to know that you are in the business, so you need to start now and create awareness by selling in small quantities, so you could buy and start selling, so that by next year when the business is in full swing, okay, you can buy as many as, by then people would have known that you are in palm oil business and they'll be able to get from you to buy and use. All right, my superstars. Okay, so have you liked this video? All right, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button. Thank you, and don't forget to share. All right, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. All right, my superstars. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you like these updates? Do you love these updates? Please write it in the comment section. Would you love these updates from time to time? Write it in the comment section so I'll know that you are having value and I'll keep bringing you updates like this from time to time. All right. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.